I often get asked about how I copy and paste images, so I thought I'd do this quick video just to show how it's done. The first thing you need to do is go to Start, then Search, and put the Snipping Tool on your taskbar if you haven't already got it. You can find it by searching Snipping Tool. As you can see, I've already got it. You can either have still camera photos or you can have movie. This is still camera. We'll just shrink that now to the taskbar by right clicking on your taskbar icon and then pin to the taskbar. Obviously I've already got it, so I can unpin it if required. Right, so now we're going to search for an image on your internet browser. As you can see, I've already looked for it, but just for the exercise. Images of apes and monkeys. Now looking from the internet with different images, we've chosen this handsome chap. So we now go down to the taskbar, click on the Snipping Tool icon, make sure it's on camera, not film. Click on New with your left mouse button and then use the crosshairs to draw the area that we want to capture. Having got the snip we want, we then copy it and then we open our Windows Word program. Blank sheet. Here you've got a choice of insert, draw, design. We go to layout and we choose the size of page that we want. I find A3 is normally best. And then I normally choose the orientation landscape. We bring up the snipping tool, we copy the image using the left mouse button, and then using the right mouse button we paste the image onto the Word page. Now on this exploded view we can then see we go back to insert, we choose shapes, and right at the bottom, or at least on my version right at the bottom, there is different speech bubbles or callouts they call it. Using the crosshairs, again, left mouse button, we press to as big a speech bubble as we think we need. And by clicking on the dotted border, we can then format the shape. We can choose the fill, as in no fill at all, and no line at all. Obviously we want a line so that they can see the speech bubble. Typically I choose black, but you can see you've got an array of colours there. All this is left mouse clicking. And back to insert again, and again shapes, but this time we're going to choose the text box. And again, using the crosshairs, create the size of text box that you want. We type in something quickly. As you can see, the characters are rather small, so we're going to left mouse click, keep it depressed, drag it across the words, and then we can choose a new size for the words. We can adjust the size of the box. And then again, by clicking the border, we can format the shape so it has no fill, which we don't want in this case. And we can also get rid of the square box with no line. So the words now look like they're inside the speech bubble. We now just need to click between the text box and the speech bubble to get a size that looks good for the photograph and basically looks tidy. It looks better with the speech bubble filled in with a white background. So we'll adjust that first. Then relocate the speech bubble. Just check everything says I want it. And then direct the speech bubble to the monkey. So we can clearly see who is speaking, who loves you, baby. Right, back to the taskbar, Snipping Tool again. We want new. We click on new because we want a new image. It will ask you if you want to save the old image. But at the time of editing this, I've lost that, so I'm just going straight to new. As before, we highlight the area we want. I've purposely gone bigger than what I want. So I can show you the Snipping Tool's image crop, which is the same as you do on most photos. Once you're happy, tick the tick to save it. Then we're going to copy. Go to Facebook. And then create the post as normal. And paste the image that we've just created. And then just hit post. If you see a post that someone else has done, you can go to share and share to feed, and then that will go on your page. And that's basically it.